Welcome to RHCSA Guru. In this session, we'll explore how to manage services in Daemons in Linux. Throughout this lab, you'll learn how to check service status, start and stop services, and enable or disable them as needed. Let us begin. In this lab, we'll manage services and program that start at boot time and run until system shutdown. On VS Code, click on hamburger icon terminal, select New Terminal to open a fresh command prompt. The init system launches services in Daemons at boot. systemd is the default init system for the most modern Linux distributions. systemctl command is used to manage services and Daemons. To confirm systemd is installed, type systemctl version command in terminal and enter. To view all running services on system, we'll use systemctl list units. Type =service command. In the terminal, type systemctl list units, type =service, and hit enter. After running the command, here we can see the list of all the running services on the system appears on the screen. Now we'll run the systemctl all command to list all services and Daemons on the system, including inactive ones. Type systemctl all command in terminal and press enter. After running this command, we can see list of all the services on the system, including inactive ones on the screen. Now check the status of a specific service. Use the systemctl status command. This command shows SSH service status. In the terminal, type systemctl status sshd service command and hit enter. The status of service is active. To stop a service, use the systemctl stop command. Type systemctl stop sshd service and hit enter. This will stop the sshd service. Service has been stopped. This command is used to check the status of service and whether it has been stopped or not. Here it shows the service has been stopped. For starting a service, we'll use the systemctl start command. Type the command and hit enter. Click on check. Our task is completed. Now we'll use this command to check the status of a service. Our service is active or running. Now we'll use systemctl restart command for restarting a service. Just type the command in terminal and hit enter. After running it will restart the service. Reloading a service refreshes its configuration without stopping it. To do this, we'll use the systemctl reload command. We'll reload a SSHD service. Type command in terminal and hit enter. This command reloaded SSHD services. To enable a service to start automatically at boot, we'll use the systemctl enable command. Just type the command in terminal and hit enter. It will enable the service mentioned after command. Click on check. Task is completed. To check if the service is enabled to start at boot, we'll use the systemctl enable command. Hit enter after typing the command in terminal. It showed the result as enabled. You can also verify if a service is enabled by checking the output of the status command. In the output, enabled will appear under loaded if the service is set to start at boot. Here it shows enabled. To prevent a service from starting at boot, we'll use the systemctl disable command. Here we are disabling SSHD service. SSHD service has been disabled. Our task is completed. To confirm a service has disabled at boot, check its status. The output will show disabled under loaded. For masking a service or to prevent a service from being started or stopped, masking blocks all actions on the service until it is unmasked. Type the command in terminal Hit Enter, and it will mask the service. To allow a masked service to be started, we'll use the systemctl mask command. It will unmask the masked service. Congratulations! You have completed the exercise. Mark the lab as completed.